to my channel and welcome to another episode of investment advice for you. So in this particular episode and in the coming episode, I'm going to be talking to you about some of the differences between government bonds and foreign exchange trading. Now, government bonds, some will call it treasury bill, treasury bond. In UK it's called gilt. So we're going to be talking about these government bonds and why you should consider foreign exchange trading as against government bonds. Okay, I'm not saying you should not bid for bonds or go for government bonds. It's nice depending on what kind of bonds you're going for and the duration, when you think your bond is going to get to maturity and the rest. But let's just start by explaining to you what these government bonds are. A government bond is a type of debt-based investment where you loan money to a government in return for an agreed rate of interest. Governments use them to raise funds that can be spent on new projects or infrastructures, and investors can use them to get a set return paid at a regular interval. So this is you loaning money to your government depending on your country's economy, how strong your country's economy is. Okay, this is really safe, but definitely there are no investments without any risk, right? Okay, so you're giving this money to governments and there's a set return on this money, and then there's a duration at which you can leave this money with the government, and then when it gets to maturity you get your principal, and depending on what duration you set for your return, also it could be paid monthly, it could be paid quarterly, it could be paid after 6 months and the rest. So over the next couple of episodes, I'm going to be comparing government bonds with forex. Why should you go for forex as against government bonds? Why should you trade forex when you can bid for government bonds, right? But this thing is not open to everyone, and just like I said earlier, governments use this. So if the government does not really have a need, they may not really declare that, okay, there's this so and so amount of bonds available and the rest, because they feel we have more than enough, we can take care of our economy and the rest. So I'm just trying to explain to you why you should trade forex, the advantage forex has over government bonds. So don't go anywhere. In the next episode I'll be explaining more. I want to make my videos as short as possible. I don't want to make lengthy videos any longer, so please don't go anywhere. I'm going to be explaining all of this to you in great details. Thank you very much for sticking with my channel, and you can be rest assured that you get very good investment advice as to how to put your money to work properly for you. I am Veraqueenine, and don't go anywhere. See you in my next episode. Bye.